The USS Gerald R. Ford is the most expensive and technologically advanced aircraft carrier ever built. Commissioned in 2017, it has a price tag of $13 billion and is the first in its class of carriers. However, the USS Ford has faced numerous setbacks, delays, and controversies since its inception. In this article, we will explore the challenges and accomplishments of this remarkable piece of military technology. The USS Gerald R. Ford is the lead ship of the U.S. Navy's Gerald R. Ford class of aircraft carriers. It is the largest and most advanced aircraft carrier ever built, weighing in at 110,000 tons and measuring 1,106 feet in length. The USS Ford can carry a crew of over 4,500 sailors and a complement of fighter jets, helicopters, and other aircraft. Despite its impressive specifications, the USS Ford has been plagued by controversies. One of the most significant controversies is its advanced weapons elevators. These elevators are designed to transport munitions from below decks to the flight deck quickly. However, they have been plagued by technical issues, and as of 2021, only 2 out of the 11 elevators are operational. Another controversy is the carrier's propulsion system. The USS Ford uses an advanced electromagnetic launch system, which replaces the traditional steam catapults. However, the system has also faced technical issues, leading to delays and cost overruns. Despite its challenges, the USS Ford has also achieved significant accomplishments. For example, the carrier's flight deck is designed to accommodate more aircraft than its predecessors. It also has a more efficient nuclear power plant, which allows it to stay at sea for longer periods. Additionally, the carrier's weapon systems are also more advanced than those of its predecessors. These include new radar and communication systems, as well as improved defensive capabilities. The USS Ford is still undergoing testing and evaluation, and its performance in combat situations remains to be seen. However, the carrier's advanced capabilities make it a vital asset to the U.S. Navy. It is expected to remain in service for at least 50 years, and its successors are already in development. In conclusion, the USS Gerald R. Ford is a remarkable piece of military technology. It is the most expensive and advanced aircraft carrier ever built, and its capabilities are impressive. However, the carrier has faced numerous challenges, including technical issues and controversies. Despite these setbacks, the USS Ford has also achieved significant accomplishments and remains a vital asset to the U.S. Navy.